So today I'm going to show you how to find high converting products on Clickbank. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So some of you have asked me how to find top converting products on Clickbank. How can you promote affiliate products on Clickbank that people are actually buying, and how to get traffic to those specific products. So I'm going to show you a simple little trick that you can use on Clickbank to find high converting products. Now, as you know, Clickbank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces online, and you can find hundreds, if not thousands of products to promote. So finding the right product to promote, the right affiliate product, makes all the difference in whether or not you're going to make money. So I'm going to show you some tips that you can apply right now to promote some Clickbank affiliate products and how you can get traffic to them without spending any money. Let's jump into my computer. All right, so we're in clickbank.com and I'm in the affiliate marketplace. So we're going to take a look at the different categories that Clickbank has to offer. And I'm going to take one of those categories as an example just to show you the type of research that you can do in order to find a high converting Clickbank product. You also want to make sure that the products you're promoting, that other affiliates are having success with that product as well, because you don't want to promote a product that no one is buying. So Clickbank provides a few different tools and filters that allow you to see whether or not a product is being successful inside of Clickbank. So I'm also going to show you how you can use some simple research to find out whether or not that product that you're going to promote has the potential to get sales, whether or not people are searching for it, and if you can make money with it. So I'm going to take, as an example, I'm going to take the self-help category. I'm going to click the personal finance subcategory. Now, as you can see, the personal finance category has 27 products from 3 pages. Now, what you want to look for in a high converting product is whether it has a high gravity number. Now, you can filter this results by gravity. If you just go to results by and click on gravity. And as you can see, we still get Credit Repair Magic now as the top result. That's because this is a product that's paying $50 in commission for every single sale. And on top of that, you can see that there's people already promoting this. 6.4, meaning that there's affiliates promoting this that have made sales in the past few weeks. So this is a product that can make you money. So $50 per sale is not bad, because if you just generate one sale per week, one sale a day, that could be an extra $600, $1,000, $2,000 per month. You want to generate content that can bring traffic, targeted traffic to your affiliate product and can make you sales on a weekly or monthly basis. So I'm just going to focus on showing you how you can do something like this for free without having to invest a lot of money, mostly your time, into promoting an affiliate product that highly converts. Some of these products, you can see some of them actually pay a lot more. For example, this one is $427 per sale. This one pays $10.98 per sale, but the gravity keeps going low. That means that there's more people promoting this product than any other product on the personal finance category. So we're going to click on the product just to see how it looks like. And as you can see, pretty simple sales page, nothing too fancy, just showing you what they're going to give you once you buy that product. Now, from the personal finance category, this is the top selling product. So it's called the Credit Repair Magic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that name and I'm going to search on Google for that specific name. So the first results that we get is the website creditrepairmagic.com, and then there's some videos. What you're seeing on the right hand side is a Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. You can download it. It's free to download, and this is going to help you know whether that keyword is generating some traffic or not, whether you have a lot of competition for that specific keyword, and it's going to tell you whether you should invest your time on it or not. So as you can see, this specific keyword says 70 volume per month, which is not a lot, but the CPC is $6.99, meaning that if you were going to invest into paid advertising, you would probably pay a lot of money for every single click. So if we click on this little icon here, it'll take us to the Keywords Everywhere page. So you can see now we got some of the results for that specific keyword, and we get credit repair magic. We got the total volume for that specific keyword and the SEO difficulty. So this is going to tell us just how difficult it is to get on the first page of Google for that specific keyword. And it's 58 is really not that hard to get into the first page of Google. In fact, I'm going to show you an example of why this works so well. So as you can see, Credit Repair Magic Review has an even bigger CPC, cost per click, because more people are targeting Credit Repair Magic Review. People are searching for reviews before buying the actual product. Okay, so let's take Credit Repair Magic Review. Let's take this keyword, for example. I'm going to try to copy this just so I can show you the example of how you can monetize something like this. And I'm gonna put it on Google. And now you see that we get some different results. But there's something that you gotta notice, and that is this video's right here. Notice the date on this videos. This was November 12th, 2011. So these videos are all talking about the same software. Now, if we click on those videos, you can see that the video has 3,983 views. Now, this is a simple little video. You can see that there's nothing special about the video. It was uploaded in 2011. There's a link. Now, if we click on this link, let's click on it. It takes us to a blogger, a Blogspot. This is a free blog that you can set up using blogspot.com. It's a service from Google, and it explains how the entire software actually works. And of course, the number one thing you're going to notice is that if we put our mouse over this little links, every single link that's talking about the Credit Repair Magic software is the affiliate link for the Clickbank product. So this person, what he did is basically he set up a free blog on blogspot.com talking about just Credit Repair Magic Review, provided all the information that you can grab from the actual sales page of the product. Just place some ads on that specific blog post, some banners. This is a banner that goes to that specific product as well. But this is how you can generate free traffic. This didn't actually take probably more than an hour to set up. And on top of that, if we go back to the video, you can see the video has 3,983 views. This video was free to create and upload. The person didn't spend any time promoting or investing money into promoting this video. All he did was just get this video to rank for that specific keyword on Google. If you find low competition keywords, low competition products on Clickbank that have high commissions but very low competition, you can set this whole thing up in less than a day. You can create a video where you're not showing your face. If you do this multiple times, if you do this 5, 6, 7 times a month, if you take 1 hour per day to just create this entire process, you look for the product on Clickbank, you find a product with high gravity that has low competition that can pay you $50 per sale, and you set up this whole thing. You gather your keywords and you find the top 5 or 6 keywords related to that product. So typically that's going to be Credit Repair Magic, Credit Repair Magic Review, Credit Repair Magic Reviews, and we're going to take that, just to show you, I'm going to take that and I'm going to post it on YouTube. And YouTube automatically is going to give me some suggestions of keywords that people are searching for on YouTube itself. So this YouTube is basically just giving you the answers to those specific keywords. All you got to do is just go back to the Keywords Everywhere tool and see how many the volume of people searching for this type of keywords. So if we just click Credit Repair Magic, you can see that video is ranking number 1 after 6 years, guys. So this is really simple for anyone who wants to make money. So let's say that this video just makes one sale per week, just one sale per week. If you're making $50 per week for one product, that means you're making an extra $200 a month for something that you did 6 years ago. That is very powerful, and some of the things that most people don't understand is just taking the time to create this entire process. You find the product, you create a video for free. You're not investing any money, you're simply investing your time. You rank that video on the top spots of YouTube for that specific keyword, and then you can link it out to a blog or a page or perhaps somewhere where you can talk about that specific product, and then you link to that product and you make a commission every single time someone buys that product. So that is how you make money with Clickbank. That's how you find high converting products on Clickbank that you can set up small little videos that can drive you traffic. And this person, the smart thing that's happening here is that he's not only getting a lot of traffic from YouTube by ranking #1, but he's also ranking on the top spots of Google. So people who are searching for this on Google and YouTube, it's constantly bringing traffic to his little blog where he's making perhaps $200-300 per month just for something he did one time. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, all I ask from you is that give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions in regard to anything that I mentioned in this video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe because I have way more content coming up soon on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it, and I hope to see you on my next video.